I will be showing you how to make slime. It's really easy. Yeah, let's go. Let's start. Container. I'm using a yogurt container. A stirring tool. I'm using a plastic knife. Hand soap. I am using Bath and Body Works soap. It's not foam soap. And I don't mind. This shampoo for your hair. This is really good shampoo. They have strawberry and everything. But I'm getting off topic, so first what you're gonna want to do is add some soap, depending on how much slime you want. Do how much slime you want. That you're gonna want to do the same amount of shampoo. Okay, so let's do some shampoo into here. And then what you want to do is stir it. I think this needs a little bit more soap. A little bit more shampoo. If I think it needs that. Okay. A little bit more shampoo. And there we go, just like that. And then you have to mix it really good. There we go. Once you're done mixing it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, then you should be good to put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And if you can't, put it in the fridge for about 4 hours. You can't do that either. Let it sit for 1 whole day. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that I'm putting it in my freezer. And then, yeah, I'm gonna put a timer on for 15 minutes and watch some YouTube. Okay, so here's my freezer and fridge. This is my freezer. Right here. And I will see you guys once I'm done. Once the timer is done. Okay. See you when we're done. Okay guys, we are back. Timer is done. Did it turn out good? Hopefully. Now let's go upstairs to go get a good spot for the camera. And that tissue box is empty. I might use that instead of having to use a cup every time. But, yeah. So, put you in. So here's my mixing tool. Did it turn out good? Yeah, it did. This is really awesome. And now here is gonna be my first ever slime YouTube video. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like the video, plus comment. And I will leave a description down below to the video that taught me how to make that slime. So be sure to check out that person's channel. And I will see you guys later. Goodbye.